Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video we will see how to create the class, interface and enum using the Angular CLI. Not only the Angular files, we can also create the TypeScript files features, the something like classes, interfaces, enums, what are the TypeScript features available. So we can also create those type of files using this Angular CLI commands. So let's try to see it. So now first what we can say is, first we need to create a class. So let's try to add something like ng generate. Okay, so a G for generate and class. So you can add the class, or otherwise shorthand notation is the CL. So the class and the name of the class name. So if you want to create the class in a separate folder, you can use something like models slash and the class name. So something like customer, let's say. Okay, so let's try to run the dry run. So let's try to see what it is going to be created. What are the files that are going to be created before we actually create. Now let's try to run the dry run. Let's see what are the files that are going to be created. So here if you try to see, one spec file will be created in the model slash customer.spec.ts, and in the same scenario the model slash customer.ts file is also created. So that means we are able to create the class file also using this Angular CLI. Let's try to run it directly. Now if I try to run it here, if I press enter, so now the files what are actually going to be created. Let's try to see the files that are going to be created in the models folder. This is the models folder, and in this one customer.ts. If you try to see here, so this is the thing that has been written in the class, export class customer. So whatever the thing we want, right, we can write it. So not only the class, we can also create the interface also. How to create an interface? So ng G for generate, and you can write interface, or otherwise shorthand notation is I. So you can also use this I to create an interface. Now what I can do, so we need to give the interface name. So I want to create that interface file in the models folder. So now what I can do, models slash the file name. So what is that file name? So let's say that order. Okay, now try to run the dry run. So if I try to run the dry run -d, so let's try to see. So here the model slash order.ts file is created. There is no spec file created for this order. So as the interface is it's a plain blueprint, so the spec file will not be there for this interface. So now what I will try to do is, so let's try to remove this dry run and let's try to create the order interface. And now here in the models folder, the order file will be created. So let it create. So here is the order.ts file. If you try to open this order.ts file, so here you'll be able to see export interface order. So this is the interface. And also not only the interface, we can also create the enum. So enum is nothing but, so we'll be selecting the list of options, right? So like that we will be creating enum. So for creating an enum, we can use ng G for generate and enum, or otherwise shorthand notation you can write the enum E and models slash the enum name, something like gender. Okay, so let's try to create -d dry run. So let's see what is the file that is going to be created. So here if you try to see here, so model slash gender.ts file is created. So let's try to create without dry run. So if I create without dry run, in the same scenario, so export enum gender will be created. So let's try to see here the output in the gender.ts, and here export enum gender. What are the options you want to give? You can give it. So this is the way. Not only the Angular file, something like component or services directive, we can also create the whole TypeScript features, something like class, interface, enums. So like this also we can create using this Angular CLI commands. So let's try to see some of the options that are available for the class, interface and enums. So if you open your Angular CLI here in this one, let's go to the top to see the list of all the schematics that are available. So if I go to the top, where is that one? So much big, yeah. So first one is then class, right? Or otherwise enum. Let's try to check the enum. So if you try to see the enum here, you'll be able to see ng generate enum and the name of the enum. So the options, if you try to see here, there are only two options. The project, so that means what is the project you want to create, and the -hyphen type. The -hyphen type is nothing but name.type.ts. If you want to mention the dot notation, so what is the dot type notations? If you have given the name, so it will take it. Okay, these are the two commands only. These are the two options only that are available for the enum. So in the same scenario, if you go to the top, and another one is the class. So we have seen the enum. There are only two options available. If you come down, and another one available is the, where is this class? Yeah, here it is available, right? Class. If you try to see here, ng generate class and the class name. So the shorthand notation is nggc. CL is the shorthand notation for this one. Now, if you see here, the options that are available is the first one is the project, the name of the project, what you want to create. It will take the string value, skip-test, boolean. So skip-test is nothing but, if you want to skip the test, you can mention the skip test here. And the type, that is nothing but in the file name, if you want to mention the dot type notation, if you want to give anything, type means you can write something like name.class.ts or name.customer.ts, something. So if you want to give the name notation means you can use it here. And another thing, last one is nothing but interface. So let's try to check what are the options that are available for the interface. So if you try to see the interface here, ng generate interface name and the type and the options. So you can give here the type also. The type will be created using the name.type.ts. With that, like that, the file name will be created. Interface, the shorthand notation is the I. So if you try to see the options, you will be having only the prefix. Okay, the prefix to apply to generated selectors, and another one is the project. So the name of the project that is going to be created. So these are the only, so not much options are there for the interface or the class or the enums. So this is the way how we can create the class, interface or enums using the Angular CLI commands. Hope you understood about this one, how to create the Angular CLI, how to create the class, interface and enums. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.